I want to show you how to fix simple dents on your car. If it's on the soft metal sheets, or like this one, see, just a simple dent like this one right here. Yeah, you can fix it using PDR by just getting simple uh, water bottles. Actually, not the kind of water bottles like Deer Park and Co. No, it's you need something that's a little bit hard, like Pepsi or Coca-Cola, or one of those types, because the covers is a little bit different. You can see it's different from it's so different from these ones here. It's different from these ones here. These ones here are so, they are tiny, they are flat, they are tiny. This one is thick, so you can see this one is thick and is more rugged. So just using PDR glue, you see, it's a small glue gun like this. PDR glue. Sometimes they come in gray color like this one. See, this one is from tabwell.com. You can go to their site. They've not paid me to do this. I just I found it useful. That's why I'm saying this. They come in also pink like this. I also got these ones from sometime on Amazon, I believe, or you can go to their site right here. So that's what you need. It's not a regular glue. Then what you need next, you need a glue gun like this. You get a glue gun like this. You heat it up, plug it, and set it to on. You put that on the cover. You put it on the cover like that. Put it on the cover like that, and you just stick it there. Once it dries, you pull, and it's gonna come right off. I'm gonna show you one in a minute. See, just did the same thing here. Also, same thing here. What I suggest is for you to do this and make it effective. You pour it there, you leave it, and let it dry. Give it some time, maybe like 5 minutes. Let it dry, and then use both hands. Pull the bottle. It's gonna come out nicely. You can see this one now it's all gone. This one is all gone. Yeah, same thing. Then I will show you how I'm going to use it again to fix this side. You don't need anything fancy again. Just get a bottle of Coke or Pepsi, one of those carbonated drinks, or any bottle that has a very hard cap. The regular water bottle won't do this. I've tried those, it doesn't work, but I discovered that these ones are the ones that work and they stay on. So what you're gonna do is, on top of this bottle right here, so what you're gonna do on this bottle right here, you're just gonna put your glue. Just put your glue on this. I'm doing, yeah, just put it right there. Yeah, hot. And then just stick it right on the dent, right in the middle, right there. Give it some time. Just give it some time to cool down. You press it on it and give it some time to cool down. And then once it cools down, you just pull it. And if that metal isn't one of these hard metals that they use on muscle cars, it's just the regular car, it should come out quite easily. I'm going to show you a few. So it should just come out quite easily. I've used it on several parts of this vehicle, and it works quite perfectly. So you just put it there, and then once it dries, what do? You pull it. If it comes off, you apply it again. So as you can see, um, that dent came out fairly enough. If it's not out up to the level you want, you do it again. You move it to the next point and pull it. Next thing you're gonna do, apply some rubbing alcohol on this, and that should some isopropyl alcohol, 70% or 100%. You pour it on it, and that's if your hand wouldn't get it off easily. You put that on it, and the thing should come out by itself easily. So that's what you do. Yeah, that dent has almost disappeared. You can do it again if you want to get out the little remaining one here. If it's to be one of those flimsy bottles like Deer Park Water and Co, all those water bottles, that cap would have melted, because I've tried it on so many occasions. It's actually, once I put the glue on it, it melted right away. So it just came, the cap just gave way. But these ones are quite solid, so I recommend using Coca-Cola, Pepsi, one of those carbonated drinks. Just use those ones. But if you have anything harder than that, use that. That's if you don't have the PDR tools. But this one is pretty simple for a DIY. You don't need to get something fancy. Once you just use this, you're gonna be okay. So let's pull this again and see. Yep, as you can see, the dent is gone. That's it. Next, let's apply rubbing alcohol on this. Isopropyl alcohol on this. Just put it there, and then once you put it, you peel it off. It should come off, because that was a little stubborn. You see that? Yeah, that came off quite easily. So yeah. So that's it. If that see, yep, that's spray done. Alcohol, then you peel it. See, that came really nicely. Looks nice. Same thing on this one. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.